Okay, this is the castle. Okay, the floor is like, there's debris everywhere. It's pretty derelict. There's nothing around this corner. The tower. There's a small little room. This must have been, what, jacuzzi, sleeping room with jacuzzi and a bathroom or something. Okay, well, there's like wood and stuff. Okay, here's like another little room. More graffiti. How nice. You must love what? You must love Jesus because he loves you. Okay. Ow. I just stepped in a thing there. I'm getting this I hate the devil. Nice. That's refreshing. Glad to know that. What is that? Okay. Just be quiet for a while. Akkom! Okay, I've just been called by Jean. Let me go see where he's at. This is hideous in this place. Okay. Well, let's go see where he is. Porsche! Okay, we're going to, I don't know what, courtyard or something. Oh, isn't this nice? Let me just get out here. I'm stepping in debris. Yeah, I'm busy recording. Okay, there's like, what, towers? Ek het gesien op die muur staan. I hate the devil. Possessed by a demon. Oh well. Okay.